Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. This video is going to be about Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 120 ladder frame reinforcement when installing a towing hitch. So, let's begin. Be careful installing aftermarket or the OEM used towing hitch on your Land Cruiser. Some earlier model Toyota towing hitches did not have ladder frame reinforcement when installed. As of the date this video was published, this is the list of Toyota OEM towing hitch or tow bar models for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J120 and 125 for the European market. The first two models of the tow bar are not reinforced. These are not reinforced models. Let's take a look at the reinforced models. They are all quite similar. Apart from this model, which is also compatible with Land Cruiser 100 and 200. To use their Land Cruiser at its maximum towing capacity, owners must have an OEM or aftermarket tow bar with ladder frame reinforcement. Thanks for watching. Bye.